In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your laptop without deleting your files. This can be very helpful if you are facing problems with your computer and want to reset the settings back to their original defaults. To do this, first open the Start menu, then search for Settings and open the Settings window. On the left side, click on System, then scroll down and select Recovery. Next to Reset this PC, click on the Reset button, and you will see two options, one to keep your files and one to remove everything. Here, we want to keep our files, so click on Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows, and you will need to choose one option. You can select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. I recommend using Cloud Download, but if it doesn't work, you can use Local Reinstall as well. As you can see, this will reset all your settings back to the default. Your personal files and data will stay safe, including your photos and videos, and they will not be deleted. Just remember that any third-party apps you installed on this computer will be removed, and you will need to install them again after the reset. If you are okay with this, simply click Next. That's how you can reset your laptop without deleting your files.